91 is what they have to score.
Ahmed Shahzad and Shane Watson to open for the Quetta Gladiators. Shot, it's 4. It's not going to fly for Dan, the third man, to go crashing through the covers.
Have some of that. What a classy cover drive.
Well, this is a flick. It's a flick for 6. It's an extraordinary shot, but it was the pace of the ball that was used. Well, he's using the seam, and that is using the ball.
It's a smash down the ground, easily done by Watson. He's a powerful hitter. There is that Watson shot, and is picked by the man in the deep. 6 gone over the rope, easily done, shorter in length. Oh, ball's a wide one. Is this a stumping chance? It's been given as a wide. I think it's got him. Riley Riso has been stumped. And this has disappeared. Yes, Baz. Oh, he can! Just like that! Got enough! Oh, he didn't come in, but I think it's a great catch.
Shahzad, he's held his shape. What a shot! Oh, he's gone after him. It's 6 more. Oh, it's a full toss. And that's not what to bowl to Shahzad. He's making mincemeat. He's gone after him leg side, and he's found the gap. No. He's found Colin Ingram. Oh, problem if it's a direct hit. Shahzad. Ah! And he's gone. He is out. Oh, he's got an... Oh, he's chopped on. He's chopped on. Oh, it's hit him straight in front. It's straight in front. It must be gone.
And there you have it. The Karachi Kings have conquered in the National Stadium tonight. The Quetta Gladiators. Oh, wow.